Hello there and welcome back. Francois from honeybecomemore.com. Today we talk about the power of contentment, how to be content. Like oftentimes people say, if you're happy with what you have, how can you want to have more? How can your desires be to other things when you should be happy with what you have? Well, let's reframe this in a way that's going to be very important for you. How you make better choices is that by having this secret of contentment within yourself. If you're happy where you are, but you want more, that's the secret sauce. You're happy with the situation that you're in right now, meaning you're not resentful, because when you're resentful, you're lowering your vibration. Therefore, if we're resentful, we're not presenting ourselves in a good way. So the power of contentment is enabling you to finding fulfillment in the situation right now. Right now, think about this. You can hear me. You can see me. And as you do this, you have senses that are activated. As you're content with this, that's fantastic and enables you to say, what else can I see that can bring me contentment? Content, something that I'm happy with and being fulfilled. Because the secret of contentment is attitude. If attitude of gratitude is in your heart, whatever comes your way, you're going to feel happier. And by doing so, you'll be able to spot other opportunities to be happy. The power of contentment is one that when we are content, we can actually see better ways to get to the next level because we're appreciating of the level that we are right now. So give thanks for your eyes, for your ears, for the people around you, for your spouse, for your children, for your mother, father, cousin, uncle, sister, brother in law, even. And there's good in everything if we decided to see it. The power of contentment lies within you. You can be content. And when you do so, you open the door for more to come your way. Use it and make sure that as you use it, others will be enlightened by saying, hey, what's happening in your life? And your attitude of gratitude will transpire in other people's lives. There you have it for today. The power of contentment, how to be more content, and how it's contagious for others as well. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you can be notified anytime there's a new video like this that comes out 5 days a week. And don't forget to share it with others and give it a thumbs up so more people can see it and they too can have more contentment in their life. Until next time, make it a wonderful day. Bye now.